No battery lasts forever, and that includes the one in your key fob. But fortunately, replacing it is easier than you think. All you need is a new battery, in this case, a CR2032 3V. First, move the rear cover in the direction of the keychain hole until the teeth are released, and then remove the cover. Next, remove the emergency key from its housing, and then remove the battery cover by prying the recess upward. Insert a new battery with the positive pole facing up. Put the battery cover and emergency key back together, and then reassemble the key fob cover. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.